Stop scrolling for just a moment, because if you live in Arizona, this could save you thousands on AC repairs. Most AC breakdowns don't start with a loud noise, they start with small warning signs homeowners ignore. Water leaking from the unit, weak airflow, hot rooms, a motor struggling to start, or refrigerant leaking slowly until the system can't keep up. But here's the good news. At Best Choice Services, we repair all of it, fast. AC repairs, AC installations, AC maintenance, refrigerant leaks, water leaks, bad motors, you name it, we fix it. If your AC isn't blowing cold, if your system is leaking, or if you just want to prevent the next breakdown, see why thousands choose Best Choice Services to save money.